So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Prudential Hotel. So I'm inside of a king size bedroom. So it's not a suite, it's a standard room. I have the city view, but we have a king bed. Here's the front door. Basic lock, signs, key, lighting. Okay. As soon as you enter, on the right is bathroom, obviously. Please excuse the mess. Hello. Place to look at your face. Whatever you gotta do here. You get soap, shower cap, shower caps, sanitary bag. I don't know what that is. Anyways, face towels, standard, all that standard. That's our mess. Don't worry about that. You get a nice little mirror. We have towels, manual. It's a manual toilet. It's not like the other ones that I've seen here in Hong Kong. It's from Toto. Okay, the toilets. All right, now they give you nice little amenities like conditioner, shampoo, whatever that is. It's like a mix of something. Shower gel, and that we brought our own. And here is the shower. And this doesn't work because it's tight as hell, but it's supposed to click here and you could hang up your clothes. So what we did, we hang our clothes here. So, moving on. Coming out, right here we have the closet. All stuff hangs up. You have a nice little safe. It's defaulted by 0000. When it opens, then you can put your own code. I think we reset that every night. Okay. Moving on. We have television. Small ass. It's a very small television. It's like a 22, 23, something like that. We have king size bed. It's a little bouncy, a little firmer than compared to some of the hotels that I stayed at. You have also a small little thing you can put stuff in there. Yeah. Remote, channel list, luggage. This, I don't know if it's a sofa bed or is it just standard sofa. Yeah, that's a standard sofa. Here is our city view. These can close like a Japanese style. So no one could see you. Right? Okay. Moving on. In here we have a little tray, free water. We have a little snack bar, but there's no snacks in it. Well, we have a little fridge and it's empty. However, they do have a pricing list of stuff in here, but again, why would you put a pricing list if it's empty? Anyways, we do have stuff to plug your thingy majiggers, electrical, USB. Yeah, that's about it. Nice little table, room service, and other stuff for you to read. That's about it. Prudential. I hope you enjoyed that small little video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.